Hi guys, it's Diamond, and I'm so happy that today I just got my new toys, that the microphone to using on the iPhone, because that will help me to talk more smoothly and let you guys to listen more clearly. So I'm so happy I got the new toys today. And also, in this morning, I just got a video from Robin. Yes, from Robin, and I'm so appreciate that she made a video for the count too, and also she has a, a YouTube channel, and I think you guys should be also subscribe her channels, because I love her channels too. And yes, and her channel's name is the Talks from the Heart. Yeah, Talk from the Heart. So you guys should be search on the YouTube too to see her videos. Yes, she just post for few hours, and there are more than 700 people watching times in this video. Oh my god, that's super huge to me. That's a huge amount to me, because my each video only has 50, less than 50, or more than 50 that needs take a month. So that's really exciting to me. Yeah. And now I'm going to make a order, and I have to tell you guys, yes, the order is Nicki edition. Yes, Nicki edition is a very beautiful and really a large packet in the cover. But first I have to tell Tanner. Okay, Tanner, you are so lucky, because you know what? When I was cutting this order of letters, I just asked my wife when I say, did you calculate with the price is right or wrong? She has a little confused about that, because I say this A5 Nicki edition is a super huge amount of the letters. It can only use a big piece of the letters, only make for one cover. So I think you must be calculate with in this price with the wrong price. And she just checked about it and tell me, yes, it was a wrong price on the website. But Tanner, congratulations, you are lucky. So after your order, I will make the price a little higher, because it only costs 217. Is really not a good price for it, because it takes a lot of time and take a lot letters. So I'm so happy that I got this order, because it also helped me to find something wrong in my shop too. So now I'm going to make the Nicki edition, and it will take me a lot of time, and it will be very beautiful. Okay, see you guys later. Hi guys, it's Diamond. Yes, the A5 is this A5 Nicki edition already done. Yes, it's so big and so beautiful. You can see. And before I only make one time for the Nicki edition, so I feel it's really functional, and also it's very beautiful inside too. And because it had a lot of card slot, so this is my second time to make the Nicki edition. and I can tell you guys it's super difficult. Yes, so I make it for many days. You can see inside there are so many big pockets inside, and each side has 9 card slots inside it in each side. Yes, and also had a wing pocket in the back, and because Nicki edition including all the pockets you see in here, and the wing pocket's back has a small pocket too. Yes, and the front pocket is a mountain pocket. Yeah, it's very beautiful, and the especially price is here. The Nicki edition because it can slide the notebook cover very easy. Just use it as a folio pocket. Yeah, yes, you can just use it as a folio pocket to slide your covers in each side. Okay, but if you want to slide the packet to the side, I will tell you because the space here is many big, so it won't very easy to let you slide very easy. So I especially to leave one side in here, just make it can do it, so you can slide the notebook covers in it very easy. And the other side here is a small pocket. Yeah, not small pocket, a big pocket. Yes. So this is the Nicki edition, including all the cover, all the pocket you see now. Because this is A5 size, A5 wide size, so it had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Have 9 card slots, 3 pocket, and plus together they have 18 V pocket in the Nicki edition. Yes. And I did a personal size yesterday, and I remember that one. The V pocket has the 14 card V pockets inside. Yes, and the A5 is going to 18. Yes, so I think it could hold in any your cards, any your cards you have. And also the V pocket has a big pocket here, so you can just put your mobile phone into here, and it works now. It works too. Yes. So this is the Nicki edition. I spent 2 days. Oh no, I spent 3 days to make it. Yes, because it's very thick. So next time when I make the Nicki edition, I will remember to cut it thinner, or that's really difficult to sew it. So you can see the edge so thick. Yes. Okay, so this is the Nicki edition, including the front pocket, the mountain shape front pocket, and two big pocket, and 1 hiding pocket, and 1 wing pocket, and the back wing pocket's back also has a small pocket, so it has many pockets in the Nicki edition. So hope you guys will love the Nicki edition. Okay, and because this price, when tender you make this order, and the price is in the wrong price, because my wife didn't make a correct price on it. So congratulations, the price you buy is lower than the real price it should be have. So that's fine. And because this is not only the covers leather, it really costs a lot leathers in this notebook. Yes, so it cost will be a little higher. So, but if you guys love it, I feel you will feel it's worth it. It's fine, yes. It's really beautiful and functional Nicki here. Okay, so see you guys next time. Bye bye.